Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have CGLD update. Let's see what it will do and of course make a price prediction and the technical analysis. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, hitting the bell button and share. Thank you so much for the support, guys. We hit the 2000 subscribers. We are going upwards together. We can grow, guys. So let's see some major support and resistance levels right now. I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement levels starting from 16th May up to 17th May because I wanted to find possible support levels in case we just retraced a little bit. We stayed at the 5.66 USDT around this area, guys, and of course now we can't close above the 6.36. You can see here we went a little bit on the top, but now we just closed a little bit beyond. We hit the 5.87 and then we moved upwards. So right now this is the area of the support level we found at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and of course as long as we hold the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, guys, this line is everything fine. Right now we want to go to 6.36, make this a support level, and then actually we can go upwards. So these are our major support and resistance levels for now. What we want to see for the 4-hourly frame is what we are seeing right now for CGLD. Higher lows, higher highs. Okay, higher lows and higher highs. We want to go upwards. We don't want to see eventually going down. Even here, if we go down, guys, and have a bearish recross, do not worry, because even if we have a bearish recross and we do something like this, then we are absolutely fine. Minor corrections can happen all the day. It happened with Matic, okay, with ADA. We see corrections all the time because they are very healthy. It's very healthy to have a correction, guys, okay. So right now for CGLD, after this huge pump up in just one day, guys, you can see here we went upwards 62% in just one day. So it is very cool that we had this minor correction, very minor correction. You can see here the huge sell pressure we had back on 17th May and today 18th May. So let's go now to CGLD against USD, sorry guys, in for the RSI and the common channel index. And now what we want to see and what we want to keep is keeping higher highs for the 4-hour frame, eventually going above the 70 again, guys, for the RSI in the 4-hour frame, but it is more we need to see higher lows and higher highs for the daily frame. So let's go to the common channel index. What we want to see here is, now that we stopped here, we don't want to go down all the way, and if we go down we want to stop before this low right here we formed on 16th May. We want to go upwards, having higher lows and higher highs, eventually moving above the 100 again. And of course right now, according to the SSL channel, guys, we are having a buying opportunity. The green line is above the red line. So now we are going to USD, CGLD in the USD in the daily frame. And you can see here, guys, what we are seeing, the bullish cross in the daily frame. That looks fantastic. We need just some distance and we can go upwards. We had this bullish cross in the daily frame. That is very important. After this here, guys, correction we had, after seeing MACD beyond our orange line here, when we are seeing the blue line beyond the orange line, we are having a bearish situation, okay. So what we see right now is that we want to regain some distance. Furthermore, we want to see it going above the signal line and regain distance, same like here, guys, 25 April, okay. So we are going now to CGLD against Bitcoin to see why it moved upwards. The reason is very simple, guys. It started to outperform Bitcoin. Here, guys, on 16th May, we just saw this huge pump up. It outperformed Bitcoin, and eventually when Bitcoin went up just a little more percentage, CGLD just went up for more. It just went up for 62% as we saw before, guys. And now on the CGLD against Bitcoin, we are having this as a support level 0.30, and of course let's see now 12 to 13 around there, guys. we are having this as a support level we want to hold. Actually, we want to hold, guys, this area right here. Okay, we want to hold this area right here. This is a major support level, and of course right now where are we heading is towards new high targets. For example, I think we can easily go to 0.30 and let's see now 17, around there, guys, from 12 to 17 to 18. So this is where we will be going, I think, for CGLD against Bitcoin, and I will show you the reason why. First of all, in the short term, we managed to have the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA. Secondly, if I go to the daily frame, you can see, guys, that we have gone parabolic. Here we have so much room to grow. According to historical data, guys, we are having, like, let's see, around 200%. So right now we have gone parabolic. You can see that we are making higher lows and higher highs. You can see now we will be making higher lows and higher highs. If we had to fall, eventually we might fall down and then go up again. So yeah, I believe that CGLD against Bitcoin will, CGLD will outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, even if Bitcoin corrects, CGLD won't correct as much. And when Bitcoin goes a little bit upwards, CGLD will go a lot of upwards. Okay, that's why we want altcoins to outperform Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin, we might see, let's go here, we might see lower lows and lower highs, because we had this bearish cross on the daily frame for Bitcoin against USD. In the daily frame, we had this bearish cross, guys, between 50-day EMA and the 20-day EMA. We have to see this since September around here. So seeing that, guys, we might see higher, lower lows and lower highs. Let's go now to our price analysis. A possible price prediction, guys, a possible price target, next price target for CGLD is the 7.60 USDT. I think we will be going there. If Bitcoin doesn't correct all the way down so much, then we are going soon there. If Bitcoin here can make a higher low and eventually go to this line here, then eventually I believe that CGLD will just grow further and further more. 6.37 is the line we want to break for the short term, and of course by the time we are making this a support level, then we can go further above to 7.60. That's our price target for the short term, guys. I always want to be honest with you, but on point. I don't want to mess with you around. And of course, when we are having a bear situation, I always tell you guys that this is not a good buying opportunity. However, with CGLD, not a financial advice, guys, but I think we might have a good buying opportunity, especially now that we've seen the 4-hour frame that 20-day EMA crossed the 50-day EMA in the USD, but on the Bitcoin valuation before we had made this cross pattern on 14th May. Right now with CGLD, we made this cross pattern on 17th May. So CGLD against Bitcoin outperformed Bitcoin a lot more before than CGLD against USD. So right now we are outperforming Bitcoin. In the daily frame, we have gone, guys, parabolic, so we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. Eventually, after also this cross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA in the daily frame on 20 April. That's why I believe, guys, that for the short midterm, this is looking good. I think that our next price target will be the 7.60 for CGLD, and I believe that we are going there. In case that Bitcoin drops from now, has a very bearish candle and we go down, yeah, CGLD might correct some more, but in overall, guys, as long as we are maintaining this area right here above the 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio, we have not to be afraid of anything. I believe that if we see a price action for Bitcoin like this, I believe that CGLD will push its price up to the 7.60, and if we can break the 7.60, then of course our price target will be the 8.27, 8.32, around there USDT, because we saw with Matic that our price target was 2.04, but we broke the minus 0.236 and we went to 2.12, guys. So right now these are the price targets. First of all, 7.60, and secondly the 8.32 to 33 USDT. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay tuned for many more videos, and of course guys, if you want, subscribe and hit the like button. Also check the simple buying opportunity strategy I have, and of course you can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below where we discuss more and more. Thank you and bye.